Konnichiwa kimono wearers, this vid is all about paradise. Where else would you wanna be? Paradise is 1.2 k's of green cruiser. If you're a tentative beginner, it might be a little sphincter tightening, but other beginners will love it.
Smiley.
Go wild.
It's on.
Go like this.
It's on, Robbie.
Here's Ramen warming up, and I tell ya, the Hulk and Noka, the farmer, absolutely sent it huge down Paradise. I mean, look at him go. The Hulk is sitting down so much it looks like she's hulking one out on the toilet. Definitely needs more fibre in her diet. Hot Dog clearly likes a cruise down Paradise. While it's a green run, keep in mind the GoPro makes it look flatter than it actually is. If you want to let it run, you can definitely feel the cool wind up your nostrils. Paradise became our nirvana on this trip. Namaste, Cobber. Jaffa loved flaring his nostrils down Paradise and feeling the cool wind. And here goes Jaffa, straight lining it. Usually the flared nostrils would act as resistance and slow down most people, but Jaffa is able to direct the air through his nostrils and out his Jaffa for extra speed. He's just directing the wind expulsion from his Jaffa with those leg movements, an absolute black belt 9th Dan in sphincter control. And once you're down the bottom, you go up and do it all again.
Am I back in Nozawa too soon? Maybe. My bank account certainly thinks so, but I'm choosing powder over compound interest. How you like them apples, Mr. Buffett?
Ramen loved it here. Didn't take her long to find her ski legs on this holiday, and she was quickly Michaela Schifrining it down Paradise like a seasoned pro. Yep, she was definitely a seasoned ramen. Boom, tish! Ooh, there goes Noka at a healthy click. And back up we go. Noka took his time finding his ski legs and perfecting the snowplow, but when he perfected it, everyone else on the slope had to watch out.
You're going, you're good.
There he is saying, "Get stuff" to the Hulk. And there he is telling Hot Dog to frig off. He's trying to outrun Jaffa and his snowballs.
No! Oh, God.
And that was a snowball to the head from Jaffa.
Ow. You got me on the head.
Paradise is cruisy fun while in Nozawa. Stay tuned for more Nozawa scenes, and as usual, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet.